Looking for a seat belt adjuster for short adults? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 seat belt adjuster for short adults available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect seat belt adjuster for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the ANDTOBO Seatbelt Adjuster. The ANDTOBO Seatbelt is the world's first seatbelt adjustable in an ergonomic way. Stop any sideways movement. Achieve anti-sliding and firmly on your seat by anti-sliding webbing. Buckle soft and comfortable movements. It fit for all standard-sized seat belts, fits up to 50 mm. The device also fits comfortably together with your navel frontal area. This is not just only for driving, it will be best for traveling such as airplane, aeroplane, or bus. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the ILIVABLE Seatbelt Adjuster. These seatbelt adjusters can help you to keep the seatbelt tight and stop any sideways movement, not irritating your neck, face, or chest area. Made of high-quality leather, soft and comfortable, the adjustable seatbelt covers will not make your belly uncomfortable after use. The small size fits perfectly with the seatbelts and will not make you feel hot in summer. Easy to install and change, you can also keep this locking clip in the seatbelt. Designed to accommodate all standard seatbelt widths, fits up to 50 mm. At number 3 on our list, we have the M-Design Toolfetch Seatbelt Adjuster. The M-Design shoulder strap positioner is ergonomically designed to reduce neck irritation caused by the heavy and constant pressure your shoulders feel after long hours of using backpacks and luggage. These cushions can easily remove for compact storage and offer added relief from tension points every day of the week. Simply place them between the strap handle of your bag or strap it onto any other normal straps while shopping to experience its full benefits. For travelers, this provides a solution that causes no strain or discomfort on. At number 4 on our list, we have the LICY Seatbelt Adjuster for adults. 2 black pool leather seatbelt adjusters fits 99% vehicle seatbelt, fits up to 50 mm. Strap adjuster prevents drivers and passengers from injury to the neck during emergency braking and does not affect seatbelt restraint system. Keep your seatbelt away from your face, neck, and chest, reduce the friction between the seatbelt and your body, and reduce the feeling of discomfort, especially for children. Place the seatbelt in the appropriate position and press the button firmly. And you can leave the adjuster on the seatbelt without taking it, very easy to use. At number 5 on our list, we have the SSAWcasa Seatbelt Adjuster for kids. Repositioned seatbelt for a secure fit. It fits correctly across shoulder and lap, absorbs shocks, keeps seatbelt away from people's neck area. Recommended for children who have outgrown their booster seat. But also for short adult. Suitable for all cars and all size of seatbelt. Give you or your kids a safety seat and help to keep a correct sitting position. It is made of breathable fabric and baby cotton. The triangle shape can make children's seat most stable. Updated design for easy installation and change. It's very convenient to make your trip more enjoyable and safety. At number 6 on our list, we have the Safety Belt Comfort Seatbelt Adjuster. Shoulder belt can move as car moves, causing discomfort for adult or short people, but not with this seatbelt adjuster. Injection mold plastic covered by quilt material clipped on belts with Velcro brand heavy-duty strap. Stays on belts waiting for your next trip, easy move car to car, kid passenger side to adult driver side. Police and NHTSA recognize benefit to increase seat belt use, crash signal reaction not affected. Federal standards compliant FMVSS 210 and 302, cushions and protects neck. At number 7 on our list, we have the MIKAFEN Universal Car Seat Belt Pads. High-quality cotton blends soft velvet surface provide a level of comfort, no need to pull away the seat belt from body while driving. Our foam lining, which is soft and of high quality, is suitable for adults, women, and children, and it can provide better cushioning when emergency brakes or accidents occur, and it is able to protect the shoulders of your family and you from any harm. Seat belt pads can be used for car trunk, Jeep, SUV, airplane, can also be used on your handbag, baby diaper bag, golf bag, luggage which with a strap, and any place else you want padded comfort. No extra tools required. Just wrap them around the seat belt strap Once you cinch your belt, then you can just slide it to the position that fits you the best. We have a perfect after-sales service guarantee for you. You will enjoy 30-day unconditional refund and 2-year quality insurance. At number 8 on our list, we have the LICY Comfort Seat Belt Adjuster. No matter which model you use, you will encounter the problem that the seat belt will rub your neck belly and make you feel uncomfortable. Our seat belt adjusters can help you to keep the seat belt tight and stop any sideways movement, not irritating your neck, face or chest area, for a comfortable drive. These seat belt locking clips are made of high-quality pool leather material, soft and comfortable. Designed to accommodate all standard seat belt widths, fits up to 50 mm. They are easy to put on and slip up and down the straps for easy adjustment. Our seat belt locking clip are easy to put on and slip up and down the straps for easy adjustment, simple operation, easy to store. You can also keep the positioner clip fastening on the vehicle seat belt, saving time, space, and effort. This kind of seatbelt adjusters could snap on and stay on the strap with strong snaps. When using this seat belt adjuster for kids, you'll not worry about the car seat belt adjuster hurt their stomach like plastic metal car belt adjuster. The leather seat belt adjusters are more comfortable than plastic adjust. You can avoid injury to the neck during emergency braking. At number 9 on our list, we have the Farochy car seat belt adjuster. Farochy car seat belt adjusters are made of top quality ABS plastic, which are strong, durable, wear-resistant and reliable. There is a buckle design on the back of our seatbelt adjuster to control and fasten the tightness of the seatbelt freely. Farochy Universal Seat Belt buckles designed to fit nearly all car seat belts, fits up to 53 mm. Plus, our seat belt clips are easy to install and use. No welding, melting or glue, and no tools are required. With using seat belt strap clips, drivers and passengers can avoid neck injury when emergency braking. Plus, you and your family can adjust the seatbelt length at will and reduce the discomfort caused by the seatbelt. Enjoy and relax your trip. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the DRIVIM car seat belt adjuster. You can use the seat belt adjuster keep your seat belt away from your face, neck and chest and reduce the discomfort caused by the seat belt, making your journey easier and more enjoyable. After using the seat belt adjuster, the driver and passengers can avoid injury to the neck during emergency braking. These seat belt adjusters are made of pool leather material, soft, durable and hard to damage, much stronger than plastic. Both seat belt adjusters are suitable for all cars and all size of seat belt. Designed to accommodate all standard seat belt widths, fits up to 50 mm. Give you or your kids a safety seat and keep a comfortable sitting position. Updated design for easy installation and change. They are easy to put on and slip up and down the straps for easy adjustment. It's very convenient to make your trip more enjoyable and safety. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.